Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows feature error that Windows cannot complete the requested changes, decline of a component requested in operation which is not valid given the state of the component instance, and then again error code 0x80070308. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu and search for services. As a result, should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. Go down to the Windows Modules Installer service. So again, Windows Modules Installer, and double click on it. Set startup type to automatic, and then start the service. And then select apply and OK. And then see if that would be able to resolve the issue. Something else we can do as well, open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best match should come back with command prompt. Right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC followed by a space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to the / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. And once that has concluded, go ahead and close out of here and then restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Hopefully this point issue has been resolved. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.